You spend your day optimizing, negotiating, driving outcomes. You demand reliability from your team, your investments, and your infrastructure. Yet when it comes to the gear you use at home, how often do you settle for what amounts to landfill in waiting? Most modern tech, frankly, is designed to fail, to frustrate, to require replacement, just as you've finally gotten comfortable. This is a friction cost you simply cannot afford. But then there are exceptions, and the bObi Pet Robotic Vacuum Cleaner, in its silver iteration, is one of them. Consider the true cost of those 10 minutes, those precious 60 seconds, you lose wrestling with a failing dustbuster or manually sweeping crumbs after a rushed breakfast. A frantic Tuesday morning already behind, and your home is fighting you too. This isn't just a cleaning tool, it is a time recovery system. Its intelligent silicone touch sensors and embedded wall sensors mean it navigates with a quiet, bumperless precision. No more trapped robots, no more scuff marks. It simply glides, scooping every stray crumb with its back-to-back rubber and bristle brushes, all while you focus on something that actually matters. And the dustbin? Fully washable, of course, because your valuable time shouldn't be wasted on tedious maintenance. Schedule it to clean for up to 7 days, set up an invisible wall, and simply forget about it. That is the kind of peace of mind your professional life demands. Pick this unit up, and the first thing you notice is the heft. This isn't some wafer-thin piece of plastic you'll replace next year. We're talking a reassuring 6 pounds, maybe even 7, of dense, purposeful construction. You feel the zero flex in its compact frame, perhaps a dozen inches across. It moves with a grounded authority across your floors, a solid, tangible object, rather than skittering like a toy. This is physical proof that they poured the budget into engineering a lasting solution, not just a flashy exterior. This is a tool built to last, engineered to ensure you will never have to buy another one again. Now, this purposeful design, this sheer robust build, does mean one thing. It's not the most aggressively nimble unit in the absolute tightest of crevices. Perhaps a dozen square inches, where a smaller, flimsier unit might temporarily squeeze. But that's the trade-off. It navigates with a measured precision, a workhorse built to withstand, rather than contort itself into positions that would inevitably stress its components. It prioritizes durability and reliable, consistent coverage over acrobatic contortions. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.